Today here in San Francisco, we had one of the craziest product introductions I've ever seen.
It's a bird. It's a plane.
No, it was Google Glass.
This can go wrong in about 500 different ways. The unit I actually really want to show you, I lent to a friend, and he's going to be here momentarily. And he's actually pretty close by. He's just about a mile overhead right now.
You can hear me down there. I've been listening to your speech through the Hangout. It's pretty cool.
Get it down here in a hurry for us. We'd love to watch that.
Yeah, Monster, I got a visual on you. Whoa, San Francisco! Give 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6. Smooth, smooth, smooth. 4, 3, 2,
1. All right, and they're flying. Look at that, look at that. You can see Moscone right below there. Live Hangout through Google Glass. Got 4 skydivers. And they're under canopy. Chutes are open. Woohoo. Okay, where's Vic? Vic, hey look, this is a Hangout on Air. It's a little bit tricky landing on a building, as you might imagine. I don't know if you ever tried this kind of thing before. You can see all their perspectives now. They're going to have to line up one after another to get down to the roof here. It's a little bit of it's a pretty big roof, actually, which is great for their landing. And you can see there's a little yellow arrow that they're aiming for. You know, it's pretty exciting. Hopefully they landed. All right. And they're coming in. First one's coming in. All right. So the roof is a little bit big there, so it would take a while to run down the length of it. So we got actually a few bikers up there for this eventuality. We got them wearing glass too, and there's our little package. Let's see if we can get it here in a hurry. All right, here we go. First person to do glass. Here are the bikers. Yeah, woohoo! Here they come down.
Floor. Thank you. I'll get it there. You have fun. Go in. All right, now we got to get down there. Want to unplug me?
Never seen that perspective before.
Special delivery. Bring that to Sergey.
All right. We got a couple more bikes. It's a little bit of a long way. I apologize. Don't run anybody over. Oh. All right. Please stay in your seats, folks. Don't get into the aisles. Please keep the aisles clear. Here they come up. Yeah! Woo! Yeah, that was awesome, guys. Woohoo! Thank you so much. Now, here's what... No, this is the wrong one. Wait. We're going to have to... I think we have to do it again.